Good morning, everybody. We just came up from the road. We stayed at Nature's Inn Cabin last night. Very cool hostel. Maybe only their first or second year, but place was super clean. We stayed in the bunkhouse, really nice. Anyway, probably about 4 or 5 days have gone by with no filming at all. I woke up at Spring Mountain Shelter to record. It said no storage left on my phone. And when you're in the mountains, it's really hard to get SD cards or figure out what things to dump. And we still were in a lot of snow. Phone was dying a lot. So those days are getting skipped. We went from hot springs to ice spring shelter. I'm not even gonna be able to remember all the names. Jerry Cabin Shelters, where we hit the 300-mile mark. And then we came down into Sam's Gap, resupplied in Asheville, so we don't need to stop in Irwin. So anyway, we're planning to head to No Business Knob Shelter today, which is 18.9 or 18.3 or something. Would be our biggest day so far, but we're getting started at about 7 in the morning, so I think we can do it. Huge group of us just got dropped off at the trailhead. So we got Traveler, Professor, Stickers and Ladybug, Bunny Tracks, and Easily Forgotten, and one other guy that I didn't know. Anyway, that's the plan. We're headed uphill. Ah, look at that. I love me some white blazes. Terrain looks good today for an 18. We're starting off with this big uphill, but I think we should be good. We'll check in later. Bye, guys. This is what it looks like on the top of Big Bald. Windy, cold, foggy. We're not going to get a view at all today, but quite a climb up here. Coming up from Sam's Gap to the top of Big Bald is a lot of bouldering, but still having a blast. We'll check in when we get to a little lower elevation.
Hey guys, so it is my turn to record for a little bit. We are at this really cool AT sign that Spencer took a picture of. But I just wanted to say thank you to Eric. His name's Eric Olson, right? Yep. I just want to say thank you to Eric Olson, who gave us a ride into Asheville and helped us get our resupply, and he took us to get a nice hearty meal. And I also want to say I got Ultra Lone Peaks because my old shoes didn't have the wide enough toe box, and it just feels amazing.